Do you love parrots? Parrots are birds that are known for their bright colors, intelligence, and ability to mimic sounds and words. They are often kept as pets and can make great companions with proper care and training. There are many different species of parrots, including macaws, cockatoos, and African gray parrots, among others. There are many different species of parrots, each with their own unique characteristics and range of habitats. Here are some examples of different types of parrots. Macaws. Macaws are large, colorful parrots that are native to Central and South America. They have long tails and strong, curved beaks that they use to crack open nuts and seeds. Some species of macaws include the scarlet macaw, blue and gold macaw, and hyacinth macaw. Macaws are highly intelligent and social birds that require a lot of attention and stimulation. Cockatoos. Cockatoos are medium to large-sized parrots that are native to Australia and surrounding islands. They are known for their distinctive crests of feathers on their heads, which they can raise or lower depending on their mood. Cockatoos can be highly affectionate and can form strong bonds with their owners, but they can also be loud and demanding. African gray parrots. African gray parrots are highly intelligent birds that are native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa. They are known for their ability to mimic human speech and can develop large vocabularies with proper training. African gray parrots are highly social birds and require a lot of attention and interaction to thrive. Amazon parrots. Amazon parrots are medium-sized parrots that are native to Central and South America. They are known for their bold colors and playful personalities. Amazon parrots are highly intelligent and can learn to mimic sounds and words with proper training. They can also be quite vocal and can make loud calls and screams. Canas. Canas are small to medium-sized parrots that are native to Central and South America. They are known for their playful and curious personalities and can make great pets for those with smaller living spaces. Some species of canas include the sun cana, green-cheeked cana, and blue-crowned cana. These are just a few examples of different types of parrots, but there are many more out there with their own unique characteristics and habitats.